you doing this, Bulldozer? Bulldozer, come back! You won't get away with this! Someone owes me an explanation for this. This is Johnny. How can I help you?
What about controlling your crew? Bulldozer destroyed my restaurant, scared my customers, and left me trapped in here.
Bulldozer? But he's the most peaceful guy in the world.
Well, he definitely looked peaceful when he ate all my sundaes.
Something's odd here, but don't worry, Katie. Help is on the way.
Hello, Johnny.
What's going on, Bulldozer? Katie called me very angry because you were wreaking havoc at her restaurant.
Me? But I've been on my post the whole time.
Well, she's sure it was you. Go there to fix everything and find out what happened. Tigers, keep an eye on him.
All right, Chief.
Don't worry, Johnny. We'll get to the bottom of this.
Kidding me? Johnny sent you to help me?
But I didn't do anything, Katie.
Sure thing, pal. Less talking and get me out of here. Thanks for that, but I'm still mad at you for eating my sundaes.
I didn't do that.
Then who? Your evil twin?
Help! Help!
It's coming from the construction site. Let's go.
Wait, who's going to pay for my sundaes?
Please, Bulldozer, don't do this!
Stop right there, you phony.
Wait, there's two Bulldozers?
So it was his evil twin after all, huh? Hey! Come on, let's get it.
I have to move out of this city.
We're not getting closer, Tigers. We need a new plan. I have an idea to stop him, but you have to distract your evil twin. I'll try.
Hi again, Tigers.
Johnny, it turns out that an evil twin of Bulldozer was the one destroying everything. I need your help to stop him.
Sure thing. Activating power up.
Don't let him hit you, Bill. Here's a taste of your own medicine. So close. Surprise! Bullseye! We got you, fake. Yeah, but what do we do with him? I have an idea.
This surely makes up for the scare at the construction site.
Oh.
And you got me a wonderful helper.
Well, it is me after all.
Whoa! Stop it, Tigers! What's wrong with you today?
Yes, you're doing great, my beautiful creation. With this evil version of Tigers, I'll turn everyone against the most respected AnimaCars in town.
I'm in a real pickle. I have to call for help.
This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, it's Bob. You have to make Tiger stop. I was painting some benches by the town hall when you started destroying everything.
Tigers, are you sure? That doesn't sound like him.
I'm telling you, he's chasing me right now.
Leave it to me, Bob. I'll find out what's going on.
Hello, Johnny. Ready for a mission, sir?
Tigers, what are you doing? Bob just called me saying that you're wreaking havoc at the city.
What? That's impossible. I've been at my post all day.
That is so weird. Bob is really convinced it was you.
Let me go there and investigate, Johnny. I'll get to the bottom of this.
All right, buddy. I trust you.
Huh? There's no one here. Bob? Is that you?
Please don't hurt me.
Come on, Bob. It's me. What's going on?
You tell me. You really scared me earlier.
What are you talking about?
Don't act like you don't know. I just saw you leaving towards Katie's restaurant.
It seems like someone is pretending to be me. I have to stop him. Katie, what happened?
What happened? You happened.
What?
Don't play dumb with me, Tigers. Where did you take my ice cream? Where?
I didn't do this, Katie. It must have been my evil twin. Whiskers, if I don't stop this soon, everyone will hate me. Huh? What's that? Of course! The stolen ice creams must be melting, and he's leaving a trail. If I follow it, I'm sure that I'll find that crook.
You better bring my ice cream back. Well done, furry cat. Oh my, I'm so much smarter than I imagined.
Are you sure about that?
Well, if it isn't the most hated anima car in the world.
Your silly plan is over now, Vicky.
Really?
Double whiskers.
You can't move, little kitty. Don't worry. Your evil twin will make sure that no one forgets about you. Come on, clone. Let's get away from this loser. Bye-bye, anima fool.
That crazy brat and her cheap fake anima tiger. I'm never gonna get out of here on my own. I'll call Johnny for help.
Tigers, did you catch the bad guy?
Johnny, I need your help. Vicky has been causing chaos with an evil twin of me, and now she's got me stuck to the ground.
Oh no, this is terrible. Got it. Don't worry, Tigers. You'll get out of there like a rocket.
Turbos and monster wheels! Amazing!
Let's see. Who can we annoy now? Huh? What's that?
Hello, Vicky. Long time no see.
No way. That animal fool got out of my slime trap. Well, doesn't want to learn his lesson. I'll make him.
Give up, Vicky. That old trick won't work with me again.
Don't worry, Katie. I'm sure you'll get your ice cream back. Oh no, he's back! The evil tiger is back!
There's two of them?
Okay, it's now or never.
No way!
Your little trip has come to an end, Vicky.
Hey, let me out now! You black striped ding-dong!
Your ice cream is so good, Katie.
Thanks, Tigers!
We're really sorry, Tigers. We shouldn't have doubted you.
Don't worry, guys. Besides, you two came up with a pretty good idea for telling that fake tiger and me apart.
Well, wait a second. I get that the fake Tigers needs a mustache, but why do I have one too?
Thanks for helping us, Bulldozer. We couldn't have done it without you.
You know it, Bob. There's nothing that the bull can't pull.
We know. Right, Dumb Lizard? Dumb Lizard? What?
Bob, no! I need to call Johnny for help.
Bulldozer, did you manage to help Bob?
We got an emergency, Johnny. I don't know how, but our friends got frozen. I need backup to investigate.
I see. Don't worry, Bill. Help is on the way. Hi, Johnny. Batfly, Bulldozer needs your help on the construction site. Say no more, Johnny. We'll take care of it. Wow, it seems we got a chilly situation down here.
Batfly, I'm so glad you're here. I'll free our friends, and then we'll find the person behind this.
Hi, Bob. How you feeling?
It's so chilly.
You're free now, Demo Lizard. Don't worry, guys. You'll get warm in a jiffy. Now let's investigate.
Let me check the skies to see if I can find something. It's a freezing machine. It's close to Vicky's hideout.
Vicky's hideout. Something smells fishy here.
Look who it is. Give her a drill, Billy boy. The animal losers, what are you doing here?
A little thank you wouldn't hurt, you know.
All right, while you're here, help me turn off my machine.
Your machine?
Yes, I created it to make infinite ice cream, but it has started to fall. If you want to switch it off, you have to press that button. And be quick. We're lucky that thing hasn't spotted us yet.
Do you think you can hit it with your boomerang, Batfly? We're kind of far.
Leave it to me, Bill. I can do this. So close.
Batfly! Whoa! Huh? Come on. I have to be quick. Fly away, Batfly! Fly away!
This is bad. If I don't want to miss, I have to get closer. Hi, Batfly. What do you need?
Johnny, a freezing machine was causing this chaos. I'm facing it, but I need to be faster. Can you help me?
Of course. Activating power up. plans, you iron junk! Get this! Yes! Bullseye! You did it! I don't believe you! Yeah. But we have another problem here. All right, I'll help you, but don't get used to it.
Thanks, girls. You freed me.
Actually, it was Vicky. All right, now get out of my property, Anima Dum-Dums.
Oh.
Thanks, Katie. You're welcome, Ed.
Hello, Katie. Do you have vanilla ice cream?
Sure, Bulldozer. Huh?
Wow!
I'm sorry, Bulldozer. Are you okay? He's gone mad. We need help. Here's Johnny. What can I help you with?
Help us, Johnny. Bulldozer got hit in the head and he's scaring everyone in the city.
Don't worry, Katie. The rescue team is on the case.
Hi, Johnny. What's the new mission?
Wheelephant, Bulldozer is hurt and out of control. We must stop him before he hurts anyone.
All right, Johnny. You can count on me.
Hi, guys!
Run, Wheelephant, run!
Boy, he looks mad!
We told you to run. You have to stop him, Wheelephant.
Alright, let me try something out. Oh. Sorry, Bulldozer.
It looks like he's working. Is he okay? Oh no, he's still out of control. Hey, watch out! Oh no, Delibug!
Hey, pick on someone your own size. Well, I'm not really your size. He's too strong. If I want to stop him, I'll need some extra help.
Wheels, how's the mission going?
Johnny, we have a situation here. I need your help.
Okay, get ready for a power up.
Yes! Come on, big guy. Let's handle this. He's very strong. You give me no choice. Bulldozer! Bulldozer, are you alright?
Whoa, what's going on?
Bill, it's you again.
I think I got hit in the head or something.
Actually, you got hit twice. We have to check on the others. I'll tell you on the way.
Did I really do all that? I hope I didn't hurt anyone.
Run, guys, run!
Really? Again?
Hey, what's going on? Huh? Wait! Don't leave me alone! No! Oh, no!
Thanks for your help, Bulldozer.
You're welcome, my friend. You'll have to excuse me.
You went really fast, huh? Wait, what are you doing?
This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, it's Bob. Bulldozer has made a mess here.
Huh?
Need your help.
Bulldozer? That can't be right. I saw him with my own eyes. Don't worry, Bob. We'll get to the bottom of this.
Hi, Johnny.
Tigers, Bob says Bulldozer is causing chaos. Can you investigate what's going on?
Sure thing.
Wow, what a mess!
Oh no, he's back!
Phew, I needed that. Huh? Hey, what's going on?
Bulldozer, you're under arrest for wrecking the construction site.
But I just came back from the bathroom.
Huh?
You're making a mistake.
I'm sorry, Bill. I got another emergency to attend to.
Eh? Huh? Hey, you! What are you doing? I have an evil twin! That's why everyone's blaming me. This is horrible. I have to stop him.
Stop it, Bill! How did you get away from jail?
Well, I broke it.
Wait, 2 bulldozers?
That's right. That phony wrecked everything and put the blame on me. Come on, Tigers. He's getting away.
I know what to do.
Hi, Tigers. Did you stop Bulldozer?
I'll explain later, Johnny. I need your help now.
All right. Activating power up.
That's more like it. Here's the plan. You start throwing things at your evil twin to slow him down, and I'll take care of the rest. Missed me?
Be careful not to crash. Tie gears now!
Bullseye!
We finally locked up the right guy.
I'm sorry, Bill. I should have trusted you.
Don't worry about that. But don't take your eye off this guy. If I broke out of here, so can he.
Don't worry, Johnny. With the shortcut I took, I'll bring the stand to Katie's just in time. Wow! Ooh, what a hit!
It seems that my aim is still perfect. Stolen ice cream, my favorite flavor.
Oh no! She's going to get away with it!
Wheelephant, what happened?
Vicky's trapped me with stones to steal the ice creams!
Don't worry, I'm sending someone to help you.
Hi, Johnny.
Bulldozer, Wheelephant is trapped in rocks in the desert. He needs your help.
Got it. On my way. Wheelephant, where are you?
Over here!
What?
Help me, my friend.
All right, don't move. Oh.
Thanks, Bulldozer. But now we have to get Katie's stand back.
Count on me, pal. We have to be close. Huh?
Oh no. Really? Again?
I can't believe you fell for the same trick twice, animal losers.
Bulldozer, are you okay?
Well, I'm kind of trapped. This rock is huge. It's blocking my shovel.
I can't do it on my own, but I know what to do.
Wheelephant, did Bulldozer set you free?
Yes, Johnny, but Vicky trapped us again. I'm going to need an extra hand.
Say no more. Activating power up.
All right, let's get to work. Now it's your turn.
We're on our way, Vicky. Just wait for us. There she is. Let's go. I'll distract her while you take back the stand.
Copy that.
Hello there.
You came for more, huh?
Is that all you got?
Oh, stay put, Anima Ding Dong.
Ah.
Well, enough fun. Bye-bye, Vicky.
You won't just walk away, Anima Fool. Huh? Give me my ice cream back. Yes! Huh?
This is for trapping me. Twice!
Reclaimed ice creams. My favorite flavor.
Speed training is the best!
Hi, Degears. Is everything all right?
Jonny, I need help. I've got trapped in the desert. I'm scared that some rocks might fall down on me.
This is bad. We need to act quickly.
Hi, Jonny.
Johnny?
Bulldozer, Wheelephant. Tigers is in danger. Go to the desert and help him out.
All right.
We'll take care of him.
I can't spot him anywhere.
I don't want to go to school, Mummy.
Did you hear that?
Nice mustache, Johnny. It suits you just right.
There he is.
Poor fella. A rock must have hit him in the head.
Happy birthday, Mr. President.
It must have hit him hard.
Come on, Wheelephant. We got this. Okay, let's try with the big one. It's too big.
If only we could break it.
Wheels, you're a genius.
Am I?
Bulldozer, how is Tigers doing?
He's a little cuckoo in the head, but that's not the worst part. He's still trapped under a big rock, Johnny. I need to break it.
All right, I'll activate the power-up and call Booland so we can check on him. Let's go!
Let's crack this thing.
I'll pull him out.
on!
Well done, Bill!
Yeah, but our friend doesn't look too good.
Huh? How dare you, sir?
What's that?
Bullets!
He'll bring tigers back to normal! Come on!
Him too?
All aboard! This ship is about to sail!
Wow!